everybody, and hi who are new. My name is Vidy for those that are here, and thank you guys for stopping by though. But anyways, today's this is gonna be unboxing haul, and I'm gonna be showing you guys assembling it and testing this product out and give it my first impression as well. So please continue watching this full, and please give it a thumbs up, please subscribe. Chances are you might like these kinds of videos because I do a lot of review videos, so don't forget to subscribe. And let's get on to with this video. Product out. So this is what we have here, today's video. I'm gonna be showing you guys what this product is about. I heard it's waterproof and it has energy savings, and it is also a obviously LED strip lights. But if I could even open it carefully though, like right over here. Okay, yes, I opened it right here. Alright, and then this is what it looks like inside it. Take that out, and from there it shows that. So this is the cord, power cord. This is probably the saving cord that would help. And we got a box. So let me open this box and I'll show you guys what it is. As you can see, it's a controller. Let me take it out. So here's the controls. And it even lets me focus it, but and it also has instructions in there and another cord. So they have a little mix of everything in there, which I'm gonna have to find out eventually. And then it came in two, as you can see. So when I got all of these now, let's open one up right now. So this is what it looks like. It will be the same with the other one. But today I'm just going to be using, actually, I'll open this one out actually. Because this seems to be sure, hopefully they all work. That's what it's supposed to. So let me connect this correctly. Okay, so I've connected all the pieces together. So as you can see from this point of the view, I'm just gonna close it like this for now. I've connected it through here, and then the other one is right here as well. And it shows here for this one, you could probably connect it to this together so you can continue on. But I've connected that, and then there's the power saving, and this part I connected in here as well. And these two were together, so everything's now connected, and now I'm just gonna give it power right now, and let's test this product out. Alright, I've connected the power. Now let's let me show my face here now. Hi you guys. Okay, so not bad. And so it already comes with batteries for those who are new and wondering if this is worth it or not. Let's see, let's go with red, green, blue, and then it goes on with all these colors, different kinds of colors. They also got the timing, like for 30 minutes, set it up, 60 minutes, 90 minutes, an hour, 20 minutes. They have it for to adjust the brightness, which that's pretty cool. I didn't know that. And white if you just need white. And then they have a flash, slow, quick. And they have a fade 7, fade 3, jump 7, jump 3, and there's an auto button. So let's check that out. Not bad. And then let's go to this jump 7. Fade 3. Fade 7. Cute, huh? And it feels so rubbery. Like it's easy to place, and it obviously has the, let's take off the sticker part, which I will do that once when I've settled into my new home. Quick, slow, and a flash. And let's click on auto. Probably decides on its own. Alright, so now let's get on to the next one. It's a Bluetooth, as you can see. And the instructions, it has like, so I could download an app, so I could use my phone for it. But my phone's right there. And my other phone's a little occupied with my toddler. What it says here though, let's go on to, let me turn this off so I could see better. Okay, so it's a Lotus Lantern app. I gotta download that. Okay, it controls the LED strip by an Apple or Android phone. It's a traditional control way. Through this mobile app, you can only control the color, the brightness, and the color temperature of the LED strip, but also set up all kinds of fancy flash modes. Also, this app can set and control several LED strips through Bluetooth, and the operation is very simple, easy to learn, and easy to use. So here are the features. It has the adjustable color LED strip with 60,000 colors to change color and brightness, which that's true because right here it shows that. You could adjust very lots of colors on it. And it does have the instructions of the picture instructions to download the apps. And then here's more. Looks like it has voice command in here in this side. Okay, so for me to download this app, it comes in music as well. And for the music, you know, like I can play music and this will go adjusting with my phone, you know, like Bluetooth. If I have a Bluetooth speaker, maybe it'll go great with it though. But other than that, I'm gonna have to do that a bit later for you guys at the end of the video, so please watch this full so you guys can see the final results of it. And okay, so the next one is it has brightness adjusters of a monochrome LED strips to change brightness and color temperature. It plays music or turn on a sound playback device. You can let the light change the color and brightness with the rhythm of the music rhythm beautiful. Inside, multiple setting mode for color change and control LED strips without mobile. Long distance control with omnidirectional antenna and many-to-many group control mode. Once the connection is successful, connect automatically next time. So those are the features that they have. The performance, it's easy for you to use as well as great and compatible for all kinds of smartphones. After the actual test of 100 mobile phones verification, the compatibility is above 95% of mobile phones in the market. App is small and convenient. It consumes less system resources, so the requirement of the mobile configuration are low. Control delay is small, and the operation feels good, like control is smooth with people. Let's see, so they have the instructions. So for here, I could easily find the app from right here, the barcode as well. And so where's the part? Oh, they got all this going on. So this says switch over the horizon. I see over the horizon here, but it says switch to music rhythm and phase. My music list, recycle mode. So this is already neat, you know, you guys need to check this out. So I'm just gonna go ahead and I'll be dealing with this right at in a second right now, like, because this is the finale. So hope you guys really enjoy this though. But other than that, let's get on to the other part of the video that I've been telling you guys that I need to show you guys at the end. Alright, so I'm in the app right now. I'm gonna go look it up. It's called the Lotus. If it lets me. Okay, so Lotus Lantern app. And that should be it. And so on the pictures on the book, this is what we see. And then this is how loud you like. And you could schedule as well on here. And so what I'm showing you guys, I'm just letting it load the app already. And then let me open it. Wow. Okay, so now we just gotta go set it up. Well, as you can see though, there's all of these music, colors. This is the music. Allow. You gotta allow it. So now these are the musics that they have here. And it shows all my other music as well. This one came in already. If it allows me. And now we just gotta set it up. Shake. No, modify pin sequence. I'm using my other camera, as you can tell. And since, okay, now as you can see, when I click that, it changes on it. But when I take it off, it goes away. So now when I click on music, excuse me for the blur, but yes. And there you go. Okay. So as you can see, the better, they already have music already involved in there. But these are the ones that I've already had under here after that. So let's click on a song that we always listen to. Let's go with the vintage. Pretty neat, you guys, isn't it? So this is what it turns out to. The rhythm is going nicely with this. Alright, we made it to the end of the video though, but thank you guys for watching. Please let me know what you guys think, and if you guys got one of these, what do you guys think of it? How does your guys' experience went? And leave the comments below. And for those that are just dropping by from Amazon as well and wondering if this is worth it, I think it's worth it. My kids love it. They always feel the excitement, so get yourself one. Get one, like, not bad for these, especially if you have a studio, like a studio music area. Perfect. Or your game PlayStation and you just want a background design on it, get one. But thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Please give it a thumbs up. And I'll see you guys next time though. Anyways, thank you guys for watching and thank you guys for enjoying this review. Have a nice day, you guys. Bye.